help you grow your hair longer and very, very thick. For a couple of months, this is how my edges was looking like, and I had this big bald spot that refused to go away, and I had a lot of hair chopped off from my hairlines. That's because I was manipulating my hair too much, and over here you can see my edges grew back. So in this video I'm going to be showing you that one recipe that really works for pretty everyone. Hey beauties, welcome back to another hair video. In today's video I am going to be showing you a remedy that is going to grow back your lost edges, is going to grow back any bald spots you have, is going to help you grow your hair longer and very, very thick. Firstly, you have to go ahead and boil some water. Ensure that your water is boiled. Then when it's boiled, you go ahead and introduce the ingredients, and my first ingredient is rosemary, guys. Rosemary became one herbs that I used when I was experiencing a lot of lost edges, guys. I even did a 30 days rosemary water challenge, and it really helped me. It helped me to cure dandruff. It helped me to grow back my lost edges. Like, rosemary is just loaded with lots of benefits, and I also use fenugreek, which is also very great for hair issues. So I combine rosemary and fenugreek and I just let it boil. Make sure it boils till the water changes color like what we have here. And I'm just going to set this aside to cool down. Then I'm going to go ahead and strain it, guys. If you've watched this video to this point and you've not liked this video, guys, I don't know why, because this recipe is what you've been waiting for. Like, this recipe is going to help you grow back your bald spot. It's going to help you grow back your hairlines when you're using it, and you're also letting your edges rest. Remember, I said I was experiencing that lost edges because I was manipulating my hair a lot. Like, I literally used to detangle every day, and I was also putting my hair in cornrow. Cornrow is one thing I've come to discover that it causes a lot of stress to your hairlines. So I've really minimized how many times I get my cornrow done now. I can get it done like once in a month or once after 2 months. That way my hair is resting. I still prefer to put my hair in chunky twists if I don't want to do long lasting protective style. I think twist is really much better, especially when you're moisturizing it and just taking care of it, guys. So a lot of questions that I get is always, Lata, what should I do with the remaining herbs after getting the spray? So all you have to do, especially this particular one, is just pour it back into your bowl, add some hot water because this still has a lot of nutrient. Trust me, guys, just add some water, cover it and leave it overnight. The next day you strain it and you use it, or you can store it in the fridge for your next use. So guys, you all already know I'm not going to go away without showing you guys how I use this spray on my head. The application is pretty much the same method I use in applying most of my other spray on this channel. So firstly, I always advise you use your spray bottle when you're using spray so that it can easily just circulate all over your hair and your scalp. So this is exactly what I'm doing here. I made use of a spray bottle and I'm spraying it all over my hair, and as I'm spraying it, I take my time to massage it into my scalp and my hair so it can promote blood circulation, so the spray can just penetrate and just start working immediately. I take my time when I'm doing this Trust me, this is not something you want to use 5 minutes to do. This is hair care, and hair care is self-care. So dedicate at least 30 minutes to apply this spray. Take your time and massage your scalp. Massage it into any bald spot you have. Is it your hairline? Do you have any bald spot in the middle of your hair, or is it the back of your hair? Spray it all over there. Be very, very generous with the amount. You can actually see in this video my hair was very, very wet because I took my time to spray it evenly all over my hair. And when I'm done, this is what my hair looks like, guys. You can see my hair is looking much more hydrated at this point. And at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and spray it all over my edges, because that is actually the point of concentration. And I'm going to also massage my edges. You always see, guys, anytime I use any spray or treatment, I always take my time to massage my edges, because I know that is the most fragile part of my hair. Any manipulation or any stress I put on my edges, it just starts shading excessively. So I always take time when I'm using any treatment on my edges. This is pretty much all for the first application. And the next thing, guys, is sealing in the moisture. This is where a lot of people get it wrong. I will always say it. Anytime you use spray, rosemary spray, fenugreek spray, hibiscus spray, you have to go in with butter so that you can lock all that effort. You have to seal in moisture. Without sealing in moisture, guys, you're just wasting your time. I'm telling you, especially if you have always want to make sure you use butter to lock in that moisture. Else, within 1 to 3 hours, your hair is going to get very dry. And when your hair is dry, you are calling out for breakage, and when your hair is breaking, you're not going to see any growth, and you're not going to see any results of the treatment you're using. So always ensure you use hair butter. And that is pretty much all for this video. Bye, guys.